subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable Y series phone in India called Vivo Y22 with a stylish rear-panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y22 features a 6.55-inch HD Plus display with up to 530 nits of peak brightness support, and it has a large 89.67% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G70 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 2GB by using Extended RAM 2.0 technology, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y22 features a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on FunTouch OS 12 skin on top. For gaming, the company has added Multi-Turbo 5.5 Plus Ultra Game Mode feature for better performance. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.3 by 76.1 by 8.38mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y22 has been priced in India at 14,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Metaverse Green and Starlit Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y22 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.